with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new 2023 Harris Cruiser 230. This is going to be a great pontoon, nice layout, great setup. We've got the midnight blue exterior color on here with the silver rails. There's a really nice sharp look to it. Flip up cleats on the front and back. Side mounted docking lights. We have our quick release fender system on here as well. Very nice and handy for being able to put your fenders on and off, not having to try to tie them onto a different section of the boat. As we come around the back side of the pontoon here, we're going to see this one's going to be equipped with a Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke. Nice engine for this pontoon. This is also going to have the Performance Level 2 package to it, so it's got the bigger fuel tank, also has lifting strakes on it for getting you up and out of the water faster and giving you a better ride. Nice deep stainless steel ladder on the back here. This is going to be equipped with our rear lounger setup and the safety rail and extended rear swim platform. Let's hop up on here, we'll take a look at those options. All right, so now starting out in the back of the boat here, we're going to have a bunch of nice features. We're going to have cup holders on the sides here, cup holders on the sides over here. There's going to be USB power for charging all your phones and tablets. In the back on this side is a cooler, and on this side is going to be all storage. So you're going to have a massive amount of space in here. We also have your nice black acrylic table. We don't mount them until you tell us where you want it mounted on the pontoon. This is the single rear lounger setup. So we have this nice convertible backrest here, and combine that with the safety rails that are able to close off and the ski tow bar, you're actually legal to sit on the back of this pontoon while you're under power. This backrest flips over into a couple different positions, giving you the ability to relax, lounge out, or drop it all the way down and you've got a nice big full sun pad layout. More storage underneath the seats. As we walk through here, we will see we've got flip ups here for you've got your garbage under here. All of these cushions are going to be connected to the seats, to these rotomolded bases, so there's not anything that's going to fall off of them. The only thing that will be able to be disconnected is the back corner here, where we have our batteries and battery switch. And coming to the helm here, Harris has a nice looking dash setup. We have the JL audio on here. Nice comfortable steering wheel. This is a great pontoon, great for the family. Get out, go play. Give us a call in Rogers, Minnesota. Set up an appointment to check out a brand new Harris Cruiser.